Ano daw yung eat mo? Ano daw yung cheat? Ano daw yung eat mo?
Chicken.
May basa dyan, no? Basa! Megan, paano yung hair? Paano yung hair? Say, Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. Ay. Yan na. Sige. Basa dyan eh. Mabasahan nga. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. Megan, say hi, Mommy.
No. No, 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 no.
Ikaw, batiin mo si Mommy. Happy Mother's Day. Ano? Ulitin mo, Happy Mother's Day. Ay, ikaw. Ano sabihin mo kay Mommy? Uy. Ano sabihin mo kay Mommy?
Happy Mother's Day.